Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make the best creamy mashed potatoes. Start by peeling 3 pounds of russet potatoes. Then transfer the potatoes to a large pot or Dutch oven with water over high heat and bring that to a boil. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then reduce the heat to a light boil and partially cover and continue to cook until they are easily pierced with a knife for about 25 minutes, depending on the size of your potatoes. Then transfer them to a bowl of a stand mixer. Mixing on low speed, drizzle in 1 1/4 cup of milk. With the mixer still on, add in 8 tablespoons of butter. Finally, season with 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper, or season to taste. Then give it a quick mix and these mashed potatoes are ready. And you will notice how delicious and creamy these mashed potatoes are. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this creamy mashed potato recipe. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!